Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and unlike gold, we can see that there is not much volatility on Euro USD and GBP USD. Both are acting like a typical Monday market. So if you look at a chart of DXY, then we can see that after the market opening, DXY is not showing any positive signs. There is not much volatility or volume in the market, but still we can see that slowly DXY is going down. And today there's a bank holiday on US, so we can expect that there may not be some crazy moves and more or less market will be behaving like this only. But still, market is full of surprises, so we need to be careful. So during the day, if DXY goes down also, we can look for support around 104 level. And especially in this situation where there is not much volume, 104 should definitely provide some support to the market. And then we have the second support around 103.70. So let's keep our eyes on these two levels for the day. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So we can see that overall the levels are still the same. So if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because we discuss in detail and I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So we can see that still market is going up, and as we have already discussed, that for a trend reversal we need euro dollar above this level here, 1.0800. If Euro USD breaks 1.000, then we can consider it as a trend reversal, because the structure of the market was bearish and we can see hopes of trend reversal. Do we have any confirmation yet? No, we do not have any confirmation. If market fails to go above this level and comes down, then again we will be having the same bearish structure and we will have to plan our trades accordingly. Means when the market structure is bearish, when sellers are dominating, it's always better and safer to sell at resistance. But especially in this type of transition, it is little bit risky. Okay, so as we all know, 1.0800 or around 1.0800, okay, things are going to be critical. So observe the market carefully. If the same type of volume remains, chances of market breaking the level are very less, because for any breakout or breakdown, volume plays an important role. And right now we can see that we do not have much volume in the market. So without volume, breakout is next to impossible. So if market reverses, we can look for a sell position, or we can hit the sell position, a sell button, but yes, with proper risk management, because during the US session, if you see that suddenly market forms a big green candle, okay, you will be trapped. So don't make the mistake, follow proper risk management, okay, and then take the sell position. And on the other hand, if you see that market is going down, okay, if you see market is going down, in that case we can look for a buy around 1.0740 to 1.0730. We can expect some sort of buying around this area, so let's wait and watch. Okay, otherwise in this type of transition market, okay, it is better to wait and watch, especially if you're a swing trader. But I'm considering it that you are a day trader, because most of the people who come and okay are mostly day traders. So if you're a day trader also, you can look for a trade around this area or here. You can look for a buy around this area, and because of less volume, if market reverses, you can look for a sell. But on the other hand, if market breaks the level, wait for some time and just see how the market is doing. If you see that after 2 or 3 hours, 4 hours, market is trading comfortably, then you can go for a buy position, because it will be confirmation that the previous resistance has become the support. Okay, that's all about Euro USD. As you guys already know, that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. You will find all the details on the website. It's a 3 days workshop, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days. Keep in mind, this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. There is a questionnaire at the first so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial or useful for you or not. So you must be wondering what will happen in support. So in support, okay, there will be weekly lessons, and these are the topics that we will be discussing in our weekly lessons or weekly classes. And you will be receiving regular market updates like this. You can see this is a March workshop, and these are the regular market updates, analysis, everything about the market, so that you stay in touch with the market, you stay ahead of the market. And we also have a Telegram community so that you can talk with other or interact with other traders. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can ask questions, you can share your ideas. It's a lovely community. You can see the next workshop dates are for English classes 1, 2, and 3, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of March, and Hindi classes 9, 10, and 11th of March. And if you're unable to manage time, you don't need to worry. I record everything because people from all around the world participate, but because of time difference, sometimes they cannot attend. So I record each and every session. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. And once you are done with the payment, okay, you need to share a screenshot to this number. Yeah, the best part is the payment. You can see here 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1000, and these are the benefits you will be receiving. And yeah, trading takes time. Trading is a journey. So if you're looking for longer support and personal sessions, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. These are also very affordable. So in semi-annual, okay, apart from the Telegram community access and the WhatsApp updates analysis, you'll also be having personal one-on-one sessions with me. You can see here for semi-annual, it's only $65 or rupees 4000 for Indians. And if you love me, if you like my work, then yeah, you can also sign up for the lifetime support. It's only rupees 8000 or only $125. Okay, hopefully, okay, it will be beneficial and useful for you. These are the payment options. So once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email here with your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the groups immediately. Thank you so much. Things with GDP USD are still very confusing. Oh, sorry, GBP USD, not GDP, because we do not have a clear trend present. If I zoom out, my dear friends, you have the answer. Market was sideways, market was choppy. We took a sell around this area, market dropped. We were expecting a trend reversal. The trend did not reverse. And now we can see the market is showing choppiness again. So if you are holding any position, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. And as we have already discussed in our Saturday video, that for a reliable trade, we can look for a sell around 1.2665 to 1.2685. And on the other hand, if market drops, we can look for a buy around 1.2500. So if you're not madly in love with GBPUSD, and if you are looking for a nice profit or good trade setup, then obviously GBPUSD is not the right pair for you. But still, you can set an alert around these two areas, because if GBPUSD hits any of these levels, then yes, we may get a good opportunity. And if you're a day trader, then you can also look for a sell around 1.2630, 1.2630. Okay, if you're a day trader, how much you can expect? 25 pips. Okay, in this market condition, 25 pips is also decent enough. If you see that GBP USD has hit the 100 moving average, see the blue line, 100 moving average, and market is showing some price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. Okay, and the rest of the levels, okay, like 1.266585, okay, we have already discussed. So if you want a detailed analysis, watch the video on Saturday. Or 1.2500, because this was the previous support from where market gave a big bounce. So 1.2500 is also a round number, it's also psychological level. So 1.2500 should be the support. And at the bottom we can see a trend line, but to be honest, I'm not a fan of trend line, because trend line used to work earlier, but these days, okay, if you know the market or if you understand the market, and then you must be knowing that whenever we talk about institutions, okay, means algos. Okay, right now these days algos run the market. So it's not retailers versus institutions. It's like humans versus robots. Okay. And these days trend lines do not work much, so I'm not going for a trend line right now because I have other trading opportunities. But still you can watch around here as well. Be careful with GBPUSD, not a good pair to trade right now. Okay, it's better to avoid because on the middle of the chart, okay, your risk to reward ratio will also not match. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. If I miss anything, write down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.